Hey folks, I have Redmi Watch 3 active in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset, reboot, or how to turn it off. So all of this in one video. To do that, let's press the button first, then you're going to scroll down and tap on the settings, then again scroll down, tap on the system, and here you have few different options. The first one is reboot. This is just going to reboot the device. It's not going to disconnect it from the smartphone. You're not going to lose any data or anything like that. So this is useful when, for example, you have a problem with the smartwatch. You can just reboot it to help it out to kind of fix those issues. The second option is power off. This is just to turn it off. The third option is connect a new phone. This is going to disconnect the smartwatch from the phone where it's connected, and it's going to connect it to the new phone. And the last option is factory reset. And if you tap here on check, this is going to do actually a factory reset where it's going to delete all of your data. It's going to disconnect it from the phone, and it's going to be set to the default settings as it was when you bought it. Unlock your online potential with Hostinger's fast, secure, and affordable web hosting solutions. Click on the link below for an exclusive 20% off and start building your dream website today. So that's pretty much how that works. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next one. Bye bye.